Hi, how's it going? We're doing an unboxing today of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the exclusive blue color that's only on Samsung's website. And we have the 1TB edition, and well, here we go. It's got the pull tabs, kind of like Apple has. Just gotta pull those. Really wish these came with chargers, but you can kind of tell how slim it is. It's not going to come with the charger. So there you go, there's the top. There is the phone. It's like a baby, it's like a pewter, it's like a, I don't know if I like that color, but whatever, it's the color I got. Alright. Let's try to not throw it off. It's really cold outside today, so this titanium rails on the side feel really cold on this this color, on the sides. So the sides are like kind of a darker black. I was expecting more of like a silver, which is kind of nice. I don't know how it complements well with like a baby blue, but it's totally fine. The peel. Let me show you what you get in the box. Not a whole heck of a lot nowadays. Now a whole heck of a lot. You open here, you pretty much get the bare minimum, unfortunately. You get a SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, and you get USB Type-C cable. Again, thank you Apple for starting the trend of removing the power bricks, and thank you Samsung for following the fucking awful trend. Anyways guys, that was the quick unboxing of the S24 Ultra, the lovely flat screen. This is the S23 Ultra. They look pretty similar. Pretty darn similar, but flat display, I'm super excited about it. I was going to try to turn it on, but I guess the battery is completely dead. So there's that. And you can kind of see the reflective, the anti-reflective screen here. Okay, I guess it does have some battery. But normally this would be reflecting like crazy versus like this. Look at that. Versus this. You can barely even see that. That's crazy. Anyways, that was a quick unboxing, guy. That was the quick unboxing of the S24 Ultra.